Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my makeup review series. I am so excited right now to be trying out one of my new favorite types of products to try out, which is viral products that I find on Amazon. And this is such a cool concept for a product. I can't believe in the literal thousands of products that I've tried out here on my YouTube channel, I have not tried out an airbrush foundation like this before. So this is the MagicMinerals AirBrush Foundation by Jerome Alexander. And like I said, I got this on Amazon. This is super viral, high rated, almost 5-star reviews with thousands and thousands of reviews. But this is also an as seen on TV product. So there's infomercials on it. So it's also super hyped in that way as well. I got this in the shade Light, and I love that it comes with a Kabuki brush as well. And it sounds like it's supposed to be super easy to wear, and it's supposed to look very natural. It says ultra fine mineral powder, spray on makeup, silky smooth finish. But even though it's a powder, it actually still has hyaluronic acid in it, and it's not supposed to be drying. So I feel like there's a lot of claims in this that are almost counterintuitive, but let's go ahead and see how it is. Ooh, the Kabuki brush feels very nice, very soft. So I am going to try it out with this brush, but then we'll see how that goes. Maybe I'll try out some of my other go-to techniques like a dampen beauty sponge as well. And so the first step is to shake the can. So I'm going to give it, a good shake. And then you're supposed to just spray it right onto the brush. Ooh. Okay. I don't know if I sprayed a lot there. Let's see now. I'm going to just go ahead and start applying it to half of my face. Well, the shade looks dark for me. It also kind of looks like it oxidized, because it's coming across a bit more orange, but it's got some good coverage. And wow, the texture on this is so nice. It seriously looks like skin. I have used the professional airbrush makeup before that you put the drops in the little sprayer and the air comes out and you put it across your face. That type of makeup does not look very skin-like. I think it does look a little textured, a little cakey. This is not like that. This is so much better. It looks so smooth, an undetectable texture, exactly what I look for in my foundations, and I am so picky about foundation texture. Oh my gosh, yay. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this half of my face. It's funny because it's fun that it sprays like this, and I feel like it's really fast to apply as well, but I still think I kind of prefer the technique of just a liquid foundation. But this one looks so awesome on the skin that I am willing to do that spray technique, which is fine. I just feel like it's potentially a little bit more messy, a little bit less controlled trying to get it onto the brush. But wow, that's all I needed to do half of my face. And I would say I definitely have medium coverage, where I have a little bit of redness peeking through on my cheeks. I want to see if I can just build up a little bit more coverage there, but the coverage looks awesome. I also deal with large pores on my cheeks and my nose and a bit of dry skin on my chin, but the pore texture is looking pretty good. No dryness on my chin. And I did not prime my skin. I wanted to see how this foundation would perform just on its own. And it's looking so good. But yeah, just gonna get a little bit more over the redness here. Oh wow, yeah. That is definitely buildable to beautiful full coverage. I feel like this was the fastest and easiest way for me to get full coverage that I've ever tried in a foundation. That was amazing. And this brush is amazing. And even though I have full coverage here, it is looking so smooth and skin-like. Wow. I wish this color was a little bit lighter, just a little bit more of a close match to my skin tone. But aside from that, my first impression is that this is a perfect foundation, that it is worth the hype, worth those reviews. Wow. Now I'm curious, I'm just gonna see, like, how does it feel? It does have a little bit of a tacky, like, hydrated feel, and it is transferring onto my hand here. However, when I was looking this up online, I did see that the As Seen on TV set does come with a setting spray, which is probably supposed to lock this in place and prevent that kind of transfer there. But since I don't have the special setting spray that goes with this, maybe I should get it. If you've tried it, let me know how it is in the comments down below. But I could just set this with a powder, set it with a different setting spray, but that is something I'll want to keep in mind, that there is that transfer there if I touch it. But wow, like, I cannot put this mirror down. I cannot stop looking at my skin in the mirror because I am blown away by seriously how flawless it looks. Like, I am amazed. Now, just for the fun of it, I want to see how it works to apply it with a dampened sponge. I did not see this recommended in any instructions, but why not? Oh, look at how much darker it's looking. Also, look at how dark it looks on my sponge here. It almost feels like, I don't know, like when the formula gets wet or something, that it makes it darker. So yeah, the sponge technique, or at least spraying it onto the sponge, not something I'd recommend. I'm not sure that I should be doing what I'm about to do right now, but I'm gonna go for it. I want to see what happens if I spray it just right onto my skin. I'm gonna close my eye here. I mean, as I sprayed it on, if you can see, like, look at how much lighter it is. I don't know if it's just the shade that I got, but the way that this oxidizes is kind of a bummer, because it feels like when it sprays out, it would be the right shade for me, but it just, for some reason, turns so dark. But wow, that actually worked pretty well to blend it out with the sponge. But still, I would say the best technique for this is doing exactly the way it comes, using the brush, following the instructions. But of course, I always like to play around a little bit. But just finish off the rest of my face the right way. Okay, so foundation is applied, and yep, it looks so good. It has more of a matte finish, maybe a little bit more natural because there's still a little bit of sheen, a little bit of radiance still to the skin. And it really does just look so natural, skin-like finish. And like my large pores, for example, it didn't completely smooth over the pores. I feel like it just reflected the natural texture of my skin underneath. So I do typically like to use a pore smoothing filling type primer, which is what I would still want to use underneath this foundation. But like, This is such a wow product. This is what I would have wanted to wear like at my wedding and for special occasions, but it doesn't even need to just be a special occasion product because I got this on Amazon for about $15 and it's so quick and easy to apply and looks so good that this kind of special occasion type product can actually be an everyday type product. And I really want to get the right shade match for myself because I do want this to be an everyday foundation for me. So if you've tried this out, of course, I'd love to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on it. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.